follow me, tell me if you feel me. I think niggas is trying to kill me. Picturing pistols, spitting hollow points till they drill me. Keeping it real, and even if I do conceal my criminal thoughts, preoccupied with keeping still. See niggas as folks sitting in court, turn snitches. They used to be real, but now they petrified bitches. I'm trying to be strong. They sending armies out to bomb me. Listen to wrong. The only DJ that can calm me, constantly on. My firepower keep me warm. I'm trapping the storm, and fuck the world till I'm gone. Bitches be warm. Word is born, you'll get torn. I'm busting on Giuliani, rubbing my niggas wrong. And in this song, before I leave, picture me, I'm spitting that pump. Bitches and hustling to be free. Watch me set it. Niggas don't want it, you can get it. Bet it, make these jealous niggas mad. I said it. This thug life, nigga, we don't cater to you hoes. Fuck with me, have 100 motherfuckers at your door with fofos.
Raise up and don't let them see you cry. Raise up, young nigga, time to do or die. Raise up in the city where the little niggas die. Now we unify, brothers on the rise. Raise up, and even if they kill me, raise up, young nigga, time to do or die. Raise up in the city where the little niggas die. Now we unify, brothers on the rise.
It's that Tupac, it's that Tupac, Tupac. It's that Tupac, it's that Tupac, Tupac. It's that Tupac, it's that Tupac, Tupac. It's that Tupac, Tupac.
After the fire comes the rain, after the pleasure there's pain. Even though we broke for the moment, we ball in the game. Tell them, yo, my military be prepared for the bus. Similar to bitches to scary, get you near me. We rushing visits to overpack prisons. Millions of niggas thug living precious. These strikes, I hope they don't test us. Ebola, heat, ammunition, and crates. Shh, without a sound as we slide down. Pistols in place, I'm sensing niggas is defenses. Niggas gossip like girls, they hide. No offense to Nas, but this whole fucking world is mine. Even if you blind, you can still see my prophecy. My destiny to overthrow those on top of me. Feeling for currency, the money we call it, can you feel me? Trillion,